Welcome to the We Level Up Treatment Center video series. In today's video we will discuss: what does methamphetamines look like? Wondering what does meth look like? Methamphetamines, called meth or crystal meth, can take many forms. Depending on the manufacturing process and method, you might find meth in different colors, shapes, sizes, and consistencies. In its purest form, meth is a white crystalline powder that resembles powdered sugar. This type of methamphetamine is called crystal meth because it looks like crystals or glass fragments. It's usually smoked or injected but may be snorted or taken orally. Crystal meth can have a strong chemical smell when smoked or cooked. What does methamphetamines look like in its various forms? Below is a general chart of the different forms of methamphetamine and their appearance. Crystal meth appearance: a white, blue, or transparent crystal-like rock. Powder meth appearance: a fine and white or brownish powder. Tableted meth appearance: in tablet form, with various colors and markings. Colors of meth. What does meth's color reveal about the drug's purity? Methamphetamine's color can reveal crucial information about its purity level or the presence of additives. However, manufacturers have been known to manipulate its color artificially, increasing its potency to appeal to users. Let's break down the different colors of meth. White: typically the purest form of meth and appears as a white crystalline powder with a slightly yellowish color. Yellow indicates impurities or contaminants in the drug, such as chemicals or byproducts from the manufacturing process. Brown, commonly labeled as brown meth or dirty meth, it signifies that the drug has been heated or burned during production or has impurities or contaminants. Blue, an uncommon color. Blue-tinted meth may contain additives or byproducts from the manufacturing process. Pink, rare but present in certain areas. The pink color is likely the result of additives or dyes used during production. Understanding the different colors of meth and their meanings can be crucial in identifying the drug's purity and avoiding potential harm. Discover the visual features of crystal methamphetamine. Experience the distinctive look of crystal methamphetamine, also called ice or crystal. It's a type of methamphetamine that appears as clear, chunky crystals or strikingly white rocks resembling broken ice or glass. This stimulant drug has the following visual characteristics. It has a translucent or opaque appearance and may be lightly adhesive. The crystals come in different shapes and sizes, varying from small to large chunks. It has a glittery, glass-like texture and is also quite brittle, breaking easily. The color may have a slightly yellow or blue tint depending on its potency and the method of manufacture. It also has a slightly bitter taste accompanied by a chemical smell. Get a better understanding of this substance with its unique features. What do meth pipes look like? Meth pipes are specifically designed for smoking methamphetamine, a powerful and highly addictive stimulant drug. They are commonly referred to as oil burners or glass pipes, and are usually made of borosilicate glass, which can withstand high temperatures. Meth pipes typically consist of a cylindrical tube with a bulbous end that holds the meth while it is heated and smoked. The user places a small amount of meth in the bulbous end and uses a lighter or torch to heat the glass underneath, causing the meth to vaporize and create smoke that is inhaled through the other end of the pipe. Some meth pipes may also have a small hole or carb on the side, which controls the flow of air and smoke during use. The user covers the carb with their finger to draw in smoke and then releases it to clear the pipe of smoke. While glass pipes are the most common type of meth pipe used, other types can also be used. Metal pipes, for example, can be used to smoke meth, but they may not be as effective as glass pipes because they can get hotter and burn the meth rather than vaporize it. Plastic pipes should not be used for smoking meth because they can melt and release toxic fumes. It is important to note that meth pipes are a sign of meth use and can cause concern. Methamphetamine is a highly addictive drug that can cause various physical and psychological problems. Using meth pipes can increase the risk of addiction, overdose, and other health complications. What do people look like on meth? People who use methamphetamine, commonly known as meth, can display a range of physical and behavioral changes characteristic of meth use. These changes can be short-term and long-term and have severe implications for the individual's health and well-being. In the short term, people who use meth may appear hyperactive and agitated. They may also have dilated pupils, dry mouths, and a fast heart rate. Meth use can also cause a loss of appetite, leading to weight loss and malnutrition. Additionally, meth use can cause changes in behavior, such as aggression, paranoia, and anxiety. Over time, meth use can have more profound and long-lasting effects on a person's appearance and health. Meth can lead to skin picking and open sores on the face and body, often called meth sores. Meth sores can be painful and unsightly and can lead to scarring. Meth can also cause dental problems, often called meth mouth. Meth mouth is characterized by tooth decay, gum disease, and tooth loss and can be caused by poor dental hygiene and the acidic chemicals in methamphetamine. In addition to physical changes, meth use can cause behavioral changes that harm the individual and those around them. Meth can cause mood swings, aggression, and violent behavior, leading to social isolation and relationship problems. It is important to note that methamphetamine is a highly addictive and dangerous drug with severe and long-lasting physical and psychological effects. Methamphetamine use can lead to addiction, overdose, and death, and treatment is often necessary to overcome the addiction and the associated physical and mental health problems. Discover the physical characteristics of methamphetamine. Methamphetamine is a powerful stimulant that messes with your central nervous system. Learn the facts about the physical characteristics of methamphetamine. Meth comes as a white, tasteless crystalline powder or in clear, crystallized chunks. The drug can also appear in liquid form. It's ingested in many ways, such as smoking, snorting, injecting, or swallowing. Meth is a synthetic drug created with chemicals found in cold medicine. Long-term use leads to physical damage to your brain, heart, lungs, and other organs. Physical symptoms include dilated pupils, rapid heart rate, breathing, sweating, and hyperthermia. Extended use can result in dental problems, skin sores, weight loss, and mental health issues. Stay informed and know the facts about methamphetamine. What does a meth lab look like? Meth labs can be challenging to identify, as they can be located in various places and set up in several ways. However, some common characteristics of meth labs can help identify them. For example, meth labs often have a strong chemical odor, similar to the smell of ammonia, ether, or acetone. Additionally, large amounts of chemicals, such as drain cleaner, paint thinner, or lithium batteries, can indicate a meth lab. Meth labs can also have various equipment and materials depending on the production method. Some standard equipment found in meth labs includes glassware, tubing, funnels, and heating sources, such as hot plates or burners. Meth labs may also have a variety of chemicals on hand, including ephedrine or pseudoephedrine, which are used to produce methamphetamine. In addition to the equipment and chemicals used in meth production, meth labs can also have a significant amount of hazardous waste. The production of methamphetamine creates toxic byproducts, such as hydrochloric acid and anhydrous ammonia, which can be extremely dangerous if not handled properly. Meth labs may also have large amounts of used or discarded materials, such as empty chemical containers or contaminated clothing, which can be hazardous to human health and the environment. If you suspect a meth lab may be operating in your area, contacting your local law enforcement or health department is essential. Remember, meth labs are hazardous, and the production of methamphetamine can result in serious health problems and even death. If you are concerned with what does meth look like because you suspect a loved one may be using it, the We Level Up Treatment Center provides evidence-based effective care for meth addiction and withdrawal. Meth addiction is treatable with proper professional care. Call our meth addiction hotline to get the accredited support you deserve. That's it for today. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like, share and comment. We would love your feedback. Have a great day.